guys, it's Appleseed Level 5 here, and a few days ago I went to the milk barn, and I thought, oops, I'm in a new place. I'm on my desk, but it's kind of hard because my window's open, so yeah. I got some candy, but me and my friends were at track and field, so I have Pocky, and it's really, really good. I've already tried it. Me and my friend, we are going to have some tomorrow. Where did that go? Oh, there it went. So I'm not going to eat the Pocky, but it is really good. So the first thing, Pocky, is this, show you first. No, like that last. Not last. I guess fruit pastels. They're really, like, weird. I don't know if they're sour or something, but they have this fuzzy stuff on them, I guess. As it's showing on the packet. I'm just following the packets on these. I don't really know what they are. Oh, so they look like that. This is it looks like an orange one, but it's actually not an orange one. I think it's I don't know. Anyways, here goes. Oh. Ugh. Mmm. They're nice. Next we have this Fry's Turkish Delight. I have no idea what it is. Ooh, looks good. Actually, no, it looks like poo. Looks like somebody just... See caramel in there. Looks like somebody took a crap on caramel. Holy poo. Ugh. There is some kind of poo in there, I'm telling you. These didn't have any description. They look like these really weird rocks. I cannot get that Turkish Delight out of my mouth. And I don't really know what they are. But everything I've tried is tacky besides the Pocky, but I can get to hide out on camera. I'm going to take a handful. Well, not really a handful, because if I barf, that's not good. So, just that much. Mmm. Chocolate rocks. Pretty good. That's good. That's the first thing I tried that actually tastes good. That one. Sorry, just put it right there. No, I'm not putting these on camera because they are coconut patties. Yeah. Still trying to figure. Oh, it's jam in this. Ugh. Next time I'm trying to curly rolly. Ugh. Let's go. What is this? I just have to find out. Because it looks like it's a piece of, like somebody had a poo. A big long one. And it turned into some kind of ladder. Ugh. There's some really chewy, disgusting caramel in there. Ugh. Those are not for me. 1 minute. Oh my word. It's literally stuck. Sorry guys, but I'm gonna really have to make part 2 of this.